If you love soft ivory and taupe neutrals, stay with me. This bundle gets more textured and more interesting with each piece I reveal. This bundle includes a vintage lace. Look how unique that is. This is the back. This would be a good overlay piece. Be sure to stay till the end because the last piece in this bundle you are really going to love. This is a silk dupioni in a taupe color. Close up. Okay, you see the little nubbiness that you normally see in silk. Okay, kind of crisp, lightweight. Okay, this is a Chanel woven. Look at that texture. Look at the different variations in the weave there. Isn't that nice? It's a knit back. It's like an ivory color. This is a lighter weight, well, medium weight. Okay, this is a tweed look. Now look at the variations in this. Look at that texture. That's your taupe and ivory colors, different shades of taupe. Isn't that nice? This is the back. I'll say medium weight type, a little stiff. And this piece right here, this is a Mohair blend velvet. Look how plush that is. When I put my finger, let me put my nail through that. Look at that. That's a good piece. You still really can't even see the base when I do that. Isn't that nice? Really plush piece. If you like this palette, the link is in the description below.